Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create another account in Duolingo in a quick and easy way. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Duolingo app. Make sure you're already logged into your current account so you can access all the features properly. Step 2. In the main menu at the bottom of the screen, look for your profile icon. Tap on that profile icon to open your account settings and personal details. Step 3. From your profile screen, find the gear icon or settings button. It's usually located at the top right corner. Tap on it to open the full settings menu where all the main options are available. Step 4. Now scroll down the settings menu until you see the Sign Out option. Tap on Sign Out to log out of your current account safely. This step is important because you can't create or add another account while still logged in. Step 5. After signing out, you'll be taken back to the main screen of the app. Here, look for the Add Another Account option and tap on it. You'll now see two choices. If you already have an account, you can simply tap on the Sign In button and log into it using your email or username. But if you want to create a brand new account, then tap on the Get Started button. From here, just follow the on-screen steps to choose a language, set up your profile, and finish creating your new Duolingo account. Step 6. Once you've created or signed into the second account, Duolingo will remember it. If you ever want to switch between accounts, just go back to the Sign In screen and you'll see both accounts listed. Simply tap the one you want to use and it will automatically log you in without any hassle. This is super helpful if you're learning multiple languages or sharing the app with someone else. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.